Hey, welcome to the 21st Century Bar School. We're thrilled that you've taken this big step. Together, we will embark on a journey to help you master the art of modern-day street smart bartending. You'll learn the finer points of this exciting craft, from mastering the art of mixology to understanding the latest trends in cocktail culture. Our comprehensive curriculum promises to challenge and inspire you. Just follow the pages in the drop-down menu of the classroom page, and you'll get ready to immerse yourself in a vibrant learning environment where innovation meets tradition and where you will gain the expertise to create memorable experiences for your customers and have a great time doing it. So cheers to your new adventure. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Okay.